How to apply for a PNC Bank Credit Card. To apply for a PNC Bank Credit Card, you may follow up this process. So you can directly head over the website pnc.com, this one right here, on your preferred browser, or you can visit a branch in person to complete the application process as well. So once you are here, you can find here different cards and credit card available. So if you'd like to apply for it, you may scroll down through the given website and you will be finding option here. So you can look out for the credit card that you would like to apply and look out for this apply now option and tap on it. And once you tap on that option, before starting, you need to have some required information like your social security number, your annual income, monthly housing payment, and for business card, company tax ID, and annual revenue. So have those, and you can go to the specific card space that I showed earlier, and you can go ahead and click on apply now to begin the online application, and just go ahead and provide in every required details they will be asking you and complete the application, and that way you can apply for a PNC Bank credit card very easily through their website online. So if you'd also like to apply for a PNC Bank credit card, you may follow up this process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.